Good morning.
Good morning. What a beautiful day.
Yes, the sun is shining and the sky is blue.
I love coming to the park in the morning.
Me too. It's so peaceful here.
Do you come here every day?
Not every day, but maybe 3 times a week.
That's nice. I try to walk here every morning.
Walking is great exercise.
Yes, and I like watching the birds and trees.
Look at that dog. It's running so fast.
Oh, it's cute. I think it wants to play.
Do you have a dog?
No, I don't. But I want one.
I have a small dog. Her name is Bella.
Really? What kind of dog is she?
She's a Chihuahua. Very small and friendly.
That's adorable. Does she come to the park too?
Sometimes. But today she stayed home.
I see. Do you do anything else here?
Sometimes I read a book on the bench.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, it helps me feel calm.
Maybe I will bring my book tomorrow.
Good idea. We can sit and read together.
I'd like that. Do you want to walk a little?
Sure. Let's go down that path.
Okay, let's go. I love this part of the park.
Me too. It's quiet and full of flowers.
The smell is so nice. Spring is the best season.
I agree. Everything feels fresh and new.
I'm happy we met today.
Me too. It's always good to talk and walk.
Let's meet again tomorrow?
Yes. Same time?
Same time. See you then.
See you.